Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the holistic technique to heal your hemorrhoid. By using facial reflexology, we're working with acupoints on our face to help to target the group of energy points that is responding to or mirroring the part or organs of the bodies that we are working on. By doing that, we're also sending signal to our brain that co-responding to the areas that we are working on to provoke the body's natural healing, and it's also help to re-regulate it to help it to attain the equilibrium the way the body designed. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end of the video to get to all the steps that I am going to guide you through today to help you to maximize your healing of your hemorrhoid. Hi, it's Somji here. To those who are new to AcuReflexology, it's based on the facial diagnostic or multi-reflexology that widely practiced in Vietnam as an alternative form of healing. It's safe, effective, and it's super easy to do, and you can do it yourself, and you can also help your loved one at home. So let's get started. First, we are going to trigger the set of the 6 energy points just to awaken the energy. Number 64 and number 74 is laying on the side of your nose. Look at your nose wings divided by half, and the top will be number 74. And number 64, it's almost at the end of your nose wings. So you just go trigger this area by moving it back and forth for about 20 to 30 counts. As you're counting, you're going a little bit deeper each time until you feel that you're targeting under your first layer of your skin. Then you're moving to this side. You do the same. Make sure you breathe and relax any part of your body that you're holding the tensions as you're moving this along. You can do it very fast too, to speed along. So that's 2 energy points that we just covered. Then number 365, this 365 is right on the bottom of your chin here. It's right here. So you do the triggering. Just do 20 counts, pretty quick. Then we can target the number 7. Number 7 is laying in the center. So this area here, you divide it by half, equal, half. This horizontal line here would where the number 7 resides, and the vertical line is straight down from the opening of your nostril on both sides, and you got number 7. You're doing this just vibrating the triggering points for about 20 counts. Next, number 3 is on the same horizontal line as your top of your nose wings. Then you meet the vertical line from the center of your iris. You bring the line down, and you get number 3 on both sides. And then you massage it just to give it a bit of a awakening, the energy there. And then we're working on number 37. It's only 1 energy point, and it's right on the left side of your face. So this nose wing, you divide it by half, you draw the line straight out, and then from the center of your iris, your center of your pupil, you bring the straight line down, and then you meet number 37, just vibrating it for like about 10-20 seconds. And then go as deeper as you breathe in. So the next set of the 5 energy points that requires some ice. So you can either have an ice cube or the frozen pea to press it in this energy point. So number 365, you use the ice cube, or you can put your pen in the freezer ahead of time if you have an extra one, and then you hold on to that energy point of number 365 or an ice cube. Just press it for about 10-20 seconds. Yeah. Alternatively, you can also do this 2 points at the same time. Number 19 is right in the bottom of your nose where it connects to your face. You can do this 2 energy points together. Ice or pea, frozen peas. So you can just press it for about 10-20 20 seconds. Then number 1 is on the vertical line center of your nose or your face. The horizontal line is where the opening of your ear right here. You draw the line straight across. You will meet number 1 right over here. And you can put the eyes on it. So hold it for as long as you can stand for maybe 10 to 20 seconds. And then you take it out, and then you're moving on to number 103. You divide your forehead by 4 equally. The number 103 is right in the center of your face. You put an ice cube there, or frozen pea, and hold it. And make sure you just breathe and relax. The cold have to really trigger and reset the energy pattern. If it's been sleeping for a long time. So after you're done, we're working on number 38. So the 38 is on the same horizontal line where your number 7 that we were working on. And the vertical line is straight down from the center of your pupil. You bring the line down, it would be right here on both sides. Usually it landed right at your laugh line. Put your ice cube there on both sides of frozen peas. And 10 seconds, 20 seconds, for however long that you can hold it, a little bit longer. And then you let go of it. And now the next step is we're actually working on the energy points. If you can take some tiger balm out from the sanitized tool and then put it on your hand, so that way you don't have to go back and double dip your tool in the jar, and it's easier to access from your hand. First energy point we're working on is number 143. If you're looking up on your nose and on the diagram, you see that where the top of the nose opening meet the center line of your nose, you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3. So the pressure would be medium, hard, because you want to trigger the energy, so you have to do it slightly more aggressive. So number 173, it would be where your first 73 that we found in the beginning. You draw the line straight across, and it would meet right in the center line of your face. That would be your number 173. You do 3 push. If it's slippery, you can put your finger there to anchor, and you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3. The next would be the number 23. It's right about the side of the pen, moving up from number 173. You have number 23. You do 3 push. 1, 2, 3. And then the number 43, it's also right above it, but below number 1 that we found before. So you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3. Then number 103 that we found before, make sure you have tiger balm on the tip of the pen. Divide this by half, and the other half you get the center. At the crossroad, you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3. Then number 348. If you divide your forehead by 4 equal horizontal lines, you got the first horizontal line here. The number 348 is right in the center half of your first quarter. So you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3. And number 126 is right above it, so right at the tip of your hairline. And if you have receding hairline, you can measure it by divide your face by 3 equal parts, and then you find number 126 is right on top. So number 34, if you squint your eyes, you have this small muscle group right here, and it's right in the center of it. That would be number 134. 1, 2, 3, and then you push. You squint your eyes and find this muscle right here, and you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3. Number 124. If you divide your forehead by half on the same line as number 103 before, now number 124 is, if you're looking for the vertical line, is from the outer corner of your iris. You draw the line up, and you meet the center line, the center horizontal line, and on both sides, and you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. Number 300 would be where you divide your forehead by 4 horizontal lines. The top horizontal line would be where your number 300 reside. From the inner corner of your iris, you draw the line up on both sides. You get number 300. So you do 3 push. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Then number 103, we found it before, divided by half equal on both directions, and you get right in the center number 103, 102, 3, and number 126 is right on the top of your hairline here. At the peak of your hairline, you do 1, 2, and 3. Then moving on to number 127 is right in this dented area here below your lips. You do 3 push, 1, 2, 3. Then number 38, we just worked on before. We're going back to that again. On this horizontal line in the center of your upper lips, and then the straight line from center of your iris, your pupil, you draw the straight line down on both sides, and then you got number 38, and you do 3 push on each side. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Number 50 is on the right side of your face. So the horizontal line is from the bottom of your nose. You draw the straight line out, and from the center of your iris, you bring the line down. Your vertical line and meet the horizontal line. You get number 50. Go 1, 2, and 3. The number 143 is, again, we're going back to that, is in the center of your nose, on the bottom here, meeting the horizontal line from the top opening of your nostril. You get number 143. You do 3 push. 1, 2, and 3. Then we finish with number 37 is on the left side of your face. This nose wings here divided by half. You draw the line straight out. It would meet the center line of your pupil. You draw the straight line down. You get number 37. You do 1, 2, 3 push. So you do the whole sequence that I just showed you one more time. Do it twice a day. If you feel that your body responds within the next 7 days to about 70–80%, then you can stop and let the body heal itself, and you can go back to it once in every few days just to maintain. Or you can continue for another week and watch the progress of how your body's healing, and then you can gauge and go from there. But once it reaches about 80%, then you can just let the body do its own work. If you find value in what I just shared, go ahead and tap the like button and subscribe to my channel for the weekly healing tips that I'm going to share with you. My mission is to help people to tap into their own natural healing ability. My intention is to create and bring you the effective, powerful, easy and effective technique to follow so you can practice self-care for your body, and you can also help your loved one to enjoy your everyday life, your health, and taking care of your temple and live your best life. Meanwhile, be kind to yourself, be consistent, and do your best. And your best is enough. And I will see you in the next video.